In front of me is POCO F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit apps. Now tap on app lock here, select turn on and tap on change password to pick one of those login methods for your apps. Create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose next at the bottom right corner. Log in into your Xiaomi account or hit not now and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to, you can use app lock right away to lock all of those apps. If you don't, click on each one, check for 0 over here and then hit use app lock. Tap on whatever you want to in fingerprint unlock pop-up, and finally, to lock your apps, click on gray switchers right next to them. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that app lock is required. To disable it from any app, go back to the same settings, enter app lock, and tap on the now blue switchers next to your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!